The battery warning light is an important signal on your car's dashboard that should not be ignored. It usually means there may be a problem with the battery or charging system. Here are simple steps to follow when your battery warning light turns on. When the battery warning light comes on, check if any other warning lights are showing on the dashboard. Lights such as the engine, oil pressure, or temperature warning lights can indicate additional problems with the vehicle. Multiple warning lights appearing at the same time may suggest a more serious problems that needs immediate attention. Paying attention to these signals can help you understand the condition of your car and decide what action to take next. When the battery warning light comes on, turn off any electrical devices that are not necessary, such as the air conditioner, seat heaters and radio. This helps conserve the remaining battery power and allows the vehicle to operate longer. Reducing electrical usage can be especially helpful if the charging system is not working properly. Pay close attention to how your car is running after the battery warning light appears. Notice if the headlights become dim, the engine feels weak, or electrical features work more slowly than usual. These signs may indicate that the battery is not receiving enough charge from the charging system. Observing these changes can help you identify the problem early and prevent a breakdown. After parking your vehicle in a safe place, open the hood and carefully check the battery connections. Make sure the cables are securely attached to the battery terminals and are not loose or damaged. Loose connections can interrupt the flow of electricity and may cause the battery warning light to turn on. Check for wear, rust, or corrosion around battery terminals, as these problems can weaken charging and battery performance. Battery terminal protector spray helps keep battery terminals clean and free from corrosion. It creates a protective layer that prevents rust, moisture, and acid buildup on the terminals. This improves electrical connections, helps the battery charge efficiently, and extends battery life. Regular use can reduce maintenance needs and improve the overall performance and reliability of your car's electrical system. Inspect the alternator belt to make sure it is in good condition and properly tightened. A loose, cracked, or worn belt can prevent the alternator from charging the battery effectively. If the belt is damaged, the battery warning light may turn on and electrical systems may not work properly. Replacing a faulty belt promptly can help maintain reliable vehicle performance and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Listen for any unusual sounds coming from under the hood when the battery warning light turns on. Squealing, clicking, or whining noises may indicate a problem with the alternator belt or charging system. These sounds can help identify problems before they become serious. If you hear strange noises, it is better to have the vehicle checked by a professional. Monitor the headlights when the battery warning light appears to check if they become dim or weak. Dim headlights may indicate that the battery is losing power or the alternator is not charging properly. Changes in brightness can help identify problems with the vehicle's electrical system. If the headlights continue to weaken, get the charging system checked as soon as possible. Test the battery to check its health and power level using a battery tester or multimeter. This helps identify if the battery is weak or not charging properly. A low voltage reading may indicate a problem with the battery or charging system. Regular testing keeps your vehicle reliable, prevents starting problems, and helps avoid unexpected breakdowns. If you cannot find the cause of the battery warning light, seek help from a professional mechanic. They can check the battery, alternator, and charging system to find the exact problem. Getting expert help early can prevent further damage and avoid unexpected breakdowns. So, by applying these steps and using the right products, you can handle the situation safely when your battery warning light turns on.